Hey guys, how's it going? This is Garzilla from Dynamic Rockers, Battle 6 Crew and Universe 7 Crew. And today we're going to teach you how to six-step. Okay, so today we're going to go over how to do a six-step. So to do a six-step, you got to keep in mind which way you're going to be spinning for your power moves, as in if you're clockwise or counterclockwise. Because if you do your power moves clockwise, you want to do your six-step clockwise as well. If you do your power moves counterclockwise, you would want to do your six-step counterclockwise. If you do freezes on your right arm, you are a clockwise motion b-boy. If you like to do freezes on your left arm, you are a counterclockwise b-boy. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it the clockwise way. There's two ways to start the six-step. First way to do it, starting from like a push-up position, legs spread apart a little bit. You're going to bring your right leg right in between your arm and left leg. Your left ankle is going to come right under your knee, your right knee. So left ankle comes right under your right knee. And that helps you hold your body weight. Once you get to this position, you should slowly be moving your body back a little and bringing that right leg out into this position. From here, you will bring your left leg out and bring it around. So once your left leg is around your right leg, all that's left to do is step back. So shift your body weight forward, and you're going to bring that right leg straight back. And then to finish it off, to go to the last step, you're just going back into the push-up position. So while I'm looking at you guys, we're going to do the six-step while counting the steps as well. So it's a six-step, so there must be 6 steps, right? Sweet. Glad we got that down. So facing forwards, this is what the six-step is going to look like. 1 is going to be right in between your left leg and your left arm. 2 is going to be your left ankle coming right under your right knee. You don't come down onto your knee, you just step and then lower your body. 3, you're going to bring your leg out from being around the ankle, so your right leg's going to come out. There's 3. 4, you're going to swing your left leg all the way around to cover your right ankle. So now your right ankle is directly under your left knee. 5, you're going to take that right leg. Do not move that left leg anywhere. That left foot, where it's at, make sure it stays. And your right leg is going to step back. Boom. And then 6, you're back to where we started. And then you just do it over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to do it again, facing the other way so you can see what it looks like from behind.
Okay guys, so right here from the back view, I'm bringing the right leg in between the left side. I'm going to step in with my left ankle right under my right knee. And then I'm going to swing my right leg out to position number 3, swing my left leg around to position number 4. As you can see, I'm stepping on top of my right foot. My left knee is just bent, and then I step back and right over into where the six-step was started.
Alright, so once you get one good round of six-step, try to go for 5. And slowly pick up your speed, but do not drag your feet. That is the biggest rule you gotta remember for six-step. Do not drag your feet. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 steps, not a drag, and then a step. A clean six-step will look like this. Keep your body a little bit high up off of the floor, and make sure every step you take is solid step, and you can clearly say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do not drag your legs somewhere like this. You know, bring your legs up right to where they gotta go. It'll make it look a whole lot better and a whole lot cleaner. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe please. Leave any comments, questions down below or reach out to us. Have a good time. Hey,
This is Ash Ketchum. See this? He's from the red version. Visiting the green version today. Visiting the green version. You're from the red version.
I'm from the red version. I don't get it.
If you remember, Pokemon Game Boy was red version, green version.
There was a green version?
Yeah. And blue version.
It was yellow.
No, yellow was the next generation with Pikachu. Green was the one with whatever Bulbasaur's final form is.
Bro, there was red version, blue version, and yellow version.
Red version, blue version, and green version.
No,
the original
green.
green.
No green.
Yes, because I grew up with green.
What?
I grew up with green version. Well, I actually grew up with all three, but I started with green version, and I had all three, so I was able to use the transfer cable and get all 150 Pokemon. But the next generation.
Enough of bragging.
The next generation was Pikachu version, the yellow version, where Pikachu follows you around.
Okay.
And then it was gold and silver, and then it was crystal.
Yeah, see, because I only heard about red and blue. Never green. What was different?
The Pokemon. You know, not all the Pokemon's in one version.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna look this up after this, bro. I'm gonna look it up. Okay.
What's up? This is Gary from green version.
It doesn't exist. Okay. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Garzilla from Dynamic Rockers, Battle Instincts, and Universe.
Pallet Town.
Why am I sounding so bad today? From Pallet Town. This is Ash Ketchum from Pallet Town. And today we're going to teach you how to use a Pikachu.
Yeah, the green version.
It doesn't exist.
It does.
It doesn't
I grew
exist.
up on it.
Your childhood was a lie. Okay, here we go.
Batman Beyond was a lie.
Batman Beyond was a fail. That was
Because they didn't have an ending episode.
fail. It didn't?
No, did you watch all the episodes?
No, because
It's just another episode, and they don't have a last episode. It's just stops. It's just stops. Nothing happens. And we don't know what happened to Bruce or Terry or Max. It just ends. But in the comic version,
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gabriel with that. Oh fuck, I said Gabriel. Okay. Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Garzilla with that. Fuck, not with. From
Pallet Town.
We're going to the place. Okay. Boom. Difference. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Garzilla from Dynamic Rockers, Balance Crew, and Universe 7 Family.
Where? And I choose you.
And I choose you. There's